In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appeal a suspension on eBay, a crucial skill for anyone who relies on this vast marketplace for their buying or selling needs. Whether you're a seasoned seller or a new user, having your account suspended can be quite alarming. But not to worry, we're here to navigate this process together, step by step, to help you get back on track. First and foremost, you'll want to check your email for a suspension notice from eBay. When eBay suspends an account, they typically send an email explaining the reason behind the suspension. This email will be sent to the address associated with your account, so make sure to check your inbox and even your spam or junk folders, just in case. Understanding why your account was suspended is vital, as it sets the stage for your appeal process. Once you've grasped the reason for your suspension, it's time to gather the necessary documents. Depending on the nature of your suspension, this could include payment proof, invoices, or any specific records needed to verify your account details or the authenticity of the items you sell. Having all these documents organized and ready will streamline the appeal process, showcasing your readiness and seriousness in resolving the issue. The next step is to contact eBay through their help center. Head over to the eBay homepage, and at the top of the page, you'll see a link for the Help and Contact section. Click on that, and you'll be guided to a range of support options, including the eBay contact page. This page provides various channels through which you can reach eBay's customer support team, such as chat or phone support. Connecting directly with a representative can provide you with a better understanding of your situation and additional guidance tailored to your specific case. Now that you're in contact with eBay, it's time to submit your appeal request. This is your chance to clearly state your case. Be concise but thorough in your explanation, including all the pertinent details and any supporting documents you've gathered. It's essential to maintain a professional and polite tone throughout your communication, as this can positively influence the perception of your appeal by eBay staff. Remember to include your account details and any references to prior communications you've had with eBay regarding the suspension. After submitting your appeal, you'll need to exercise some patience. It may take a few days for eBay to review your request and the accompanying documents. Checking your email regularly for any updates from eBay is advisable, as you might receive requests for additional information or documents to further clarify your appeal. By following these steps carefully, you stand a good chance at successfully appealing your eBay suspension. Good luck and stay positive. Remember that with the right approach and documentation, you'll likely be back to using your account in no time. If you have more questions or need further guidance on this topic, feel free to explore more resources or reach out to eBay's customer support for additional help.